Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make an easy cream cheese garlic bread recipe. This warm, sweet and savory garlic bread is nothing short of delicious. Let's get started with the bread. You need 775 grams of all-purpose flour, 12 grams of kosher salt, 510 grams of milk at 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 grams of sugar, and 4 grams of dry active yeast. Let your yeast bloom for 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it starts to get foamy on top. Now that your yeast is ready, add everything into the mixer and mix it for 10 minutes on medium-low speed. If you don't have time to make your own bread, a traditional white bread or a brioche bread bun will both turn out great. You'll know the dough is ready when it has a nice smooth texture to it. Then we want to knead the dough for about 1 minute by hand and then form it into a ball. Once the ball is ready, we want to place it into an oiled container, cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for about 45 minutes or it's doubled in size. You can see how big the dough ball is now, but we want to knock down the gases in the dough, then portion to 150 gram balls. This recipe will make 9 buns, but make sure you stay till the end of the video because I had some fun when I was filming this. After we're done rolling them, we need to cover them with plastic wrap and let them proof somewhere warm for 1 hour before they're ready to bake. Moving on, we need to make our egg wash. We want to take 1 whole egg, 1 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon of water and mix together. Now we just need to brush on our egg wash, bake the buns at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes on the center rack in our oven. I had a party crasher in the middle of filming. Hit the like button and give me a thumbs up if you're homeschooling too. To make the cream cheese filling, we need 225 grams of room temperature cream cheese and 50 grams of sugar. Mix these two together and place into a pastry bag. Here's a quick tip. Use a glass to fill your pastry bag. You only need 1 hand and it's definitely less messy. Now we need to make the garlic butter. It's actually more of a custard, think of like a bread pudding, but we're not going to soak it as long. To make this we need 1 cup of melted butter, then whisk in 2 whole eggs, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 3 tablespoons of mayo, 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic and 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Add your salt, pepper and whisk. Let's cut the bread into 8 sections, but don't cut all the way through. We need the bottom to still be together so the bread won't fall apart when we pick it up. To fill the bun with the cream cheese, we want to spread the sections apart and fill halfway, and also don't forget to fill the center of the bun. If you're feeling fancy, you can use a star tip for the cream cheese. Once all of our buns are filled with the cream cheese, we want to dunk them in the garlic butter. Use a spoon to make sure that you get all the nooks and crannies filled. Then place them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Let's finish these with black pepper, flaky salt, and Parmesan cheese. Enjoy these while they're still warm. Thanks for stopping by, guys. And as promised, I had some fun with this recipe and made a giant garlic bread. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.